back to How To Cooking. I'll be doing a HelloFresh How To today. This is the first one my son is preparing with me. He's going to be chopping up the zucchini and vegetables. Very easy, quick prep on this. A chili pepper and zucchini. And then you're going to do your spaghetti shrimp. This is shrimp spaghetti with a kick. That's what the chili pepper is about, a kick. Okay, not only is my buddy going to be preparing the vegetables, but he's also going to be telling me if my jokes are funny or not. All right. Hey buddy, you know the cheapest place to buy shrimp at? A prawn shop. Told you about my last blind date, huh? Where she spilt spaghetti on herself and was all like, "Oh man, I look like a pig." And I said, "Yeah, and you spilt spaghetti on yourself too." You should never ever order shrimp fried rice. You know why? Because you want your food to be prepared by humans. Alright. You know why the spaghetti was exhausted? Because it strained itself. I recently tried popcorn chicken, and then I found out there wasn't any popcorn in it. So I'm scratching the pot roast. First, go ahead, Princess Dynamite. I can't believe she ate the zucchini before the shrimp. Let's see what Huddy Buddy says. Don't eat the whole bowl before you tell me what you think. Okay, now you know what we do. Alright. Hey. Another thumbs up for HelloFresh. Always fresh and fresh enough for a princess. Okay, baby.